The price of Bitcoin has broken out of this pennant in the hourly chart. Are we going to come all the way up here and meet these crazy price targets at all-time high? We'll be checking this out in today's episode, and also looking at the Bitcoin dominance. It looks like that we are going to have an alt season in the next few weeks, and Chainlink is looking extremely bullish. We had this leg up and we formed this pennant, and it looks like that we are going to break out and meet these targets. We'll be looking at Chainlink in today's episode. Top Bitcoin price predictions for 2021. We'll be looking at different opinions of different institutions here, predicting what is the price going to be in 2021. And a tidal wave of institutions prepared to buy Bitcoin, says Real Vision Raoul Pal. So if you think you're going to like the content, make sure to stick around and smash up the like button, and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. As you can see, we've broken out of this pennant here on the hourly chart, but most importantly, we have had a nice bounce of the support of the resistance of this ascending brawling wedge. We can see on the 4-hourly chart that we've had a nice bounce here, and crazy enough, the measured target on the technicals would be getting the wide bit here of the ascending brawling wedge and taking the breakout, and this would take the Bitcoin price to almost $32,000. And crazy enough, this is a possibility. It is the most likely scenario. I've been checking the daily chart here, the bearish divergence, and we're just about to break out from this resistance here. So this scenario is very possible in the next coming days. Checking out the Bitcoin dominance, it looks like that we've had a massive rejection here at the 72%. We are currently at 69.5%. So there is a high chance that we're going to come back down in the next few days and weeks to 65, even 62% to retest the support here. So there will be a massive alt season. Checking out the Link US dollar price, I have a feeling, looking at the Link US dollar chart, that we're going to have a massive pump in the coming days. This leg up here has had a great significant amount of volume. If we take the poll here for the technical target, we can see that the target would be around the $15 range. So this is what I'm looking at for the Link US dollar chart. Also, if we don't count this huge wick here, it looks like that we've formed a double bottom, and now we've broken from the neckline. We're retesting it, and it looks like that we want to come shooting back up to these levels. This is an extremely bullish setup. So if you're an experienced trader, I'll be leaving links in the description of Bybit, Femex, and Judex. You'll be getting a great bonus if you click on that link. Taking a look at top Bitcoin price predictions for 2021. Citibank analyst Tom Fitzpatrick recently said Bitcoin could soar up to $318,000 by December of next year. Bloomberg analyst Mike McGlone has high targets for Bitcoin as well. With growing institutional support, Bitcoin is poised to continue its rally through 2021, cracking the $1 trillion market cap and potentially seeing price resistance at $50,000. BlockFi co-founder and Moonrock Capital managing partner predicts Bitcoin will hit $150,000. Creator of BTC stock to flow valuation model and pseudonymous analyst Plan B is also betting on a 6-figure Bitcoin in 2021. The high-profile analyst estimates BTC can trade as high as $300,000 before 2021 expires. And crazy enough these predictions sound, the stock to flow model has been perfectly on track for years, so who knows, we might see these price targets by the end of 2021. Tidal Wave of Institutions prepared to buy Bitcoin, says Real Vision Raoul Pal. Macro investor and Real Vision co-founder Raoul Pal says a wave of institutional investors are prepared to buy Bitcoin. Pal says just about every advisor he talks is set to enter the market, and the approval of a Bitcoin ETF would be a game changer. We haven't yet got institutions into this. They are all coming into it. I know they are because I am speaking to them all. I just got off the phone with the largest investment advisor firm in the United States. They can't invest yet because there's no ETF. But the moment it comes, these guys have $5 trillion of assets amongst the US investment advisor community in the US alone. The former Goldman Sachs fund manager says that the demand of Bitcoin, partially aided by huge companies just like Square, Cash App, PayPal, and Grayscale Trust, it's dwarfing the supply in an unprecedented way. Just Square, Cash App, and PayPal, they're pretty much taking all of the mined supply of Bitcoin off the market every single day. There is 900 Bitcoin mined every single day, and they're scooping up all of the Bitcoin. Square, Cash App, and PayPal. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Feel free to check out the Bitcoin Census website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy Bitcoin, how to store and how to trade it safely, the latest news, so I'll be leaving a link in the description. And also, if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the Dudex leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button, subscribe for coming updates, and I will see you in the next one.